And now I'm going to type in close 3D. And come down here, we see close 3D. Make sure this is close3d.com website is what we want. We want to click on here. Okay. And then right there, I'm still have the subscription. I'm going to pretty much sign out. Come down here and I want to sign out on my account here. After I signed out, you can see this button right here, start your free trial. I can start a free trial here or right here. You can click one of this. So start a free trial. Okay, so something went wrong. Go to main, click on that. Still doesn't work. So what happened? Let me go in and then clear cookies here. So let's just go and delete all the cookies. So history, show full history, and we want to clear browsing data. If that happened to you, simply do the same thing, and we want to delete everything, and let's say from all tabs here, and then click delete. And now I'm going to open the new one and then close that. Then this time I'm going to type in close 3D. And here once again, make sure you are in that close3d.com or click down here. So come up here, close 3D fashion design software, and I can simply start your free trial here and then see if it works. So start your free trial and make sure to click on accept all here. So start a free trial, and then right here we want to start a yearly here. So after 14-day trial, we pay $450 per year, and that is 25% off. Or you can select monthly. I'm going to start a free trial here. And then here, account information for software login. To use the free trial in the software, you need the account to sign into it. So either sign in or sign up. So in this case, guys, because we want a free trial, we want to use a new email account here. So we want to select don't have an account, click on sign up here. And then here we go, create your Clo account, get started. We want to select individual, perfect. And then I'm going to put in my new email and new password. Okay, so now it's required us to put in the billing address, which is the address that matches the address on your credit card. So first of all, here we are signed up on the 13th and 2026 and due now 0. So total price after trial here $450 per year, and I'm going to click on continue here. All right. So auto renewal cancel. So do you want to auto renew? Agree to accept auto renew and cancellation policy. I can click on auto renew. Confirm that the licensed user is individual. And right here, the following indicate that the licensed user is not legible for an individual license being part, etc. By processing, I confirm that I am individual user or sole proprietor and not a legal entity with multiple employees. So that's what I am not. And I agree to the general term, use close additional term and policy. So here, they want to make sure that you are just you and not like, you signed up and then you have a bunch of user under your name. Okay, so now tax just pops up, guys. So instead of $450, now I have to pay extra 32.63 for tax. So next, I'm going to click on continue and then click on continue again. So over here, we have 14. So everything is free right now. And in the past, guys, it does not require credit card, but now it does. Okay, now we're going to click on the card and then I'm going to type in the card information as required. Next, I'm going to click on start trial. And one more step before you're done, select the checkbox below. I am a human. And there you go. So here, once again, click on accept. And thank you for choosing Clo. Your order has been complete successfully. Let's explore Clo software. So here we have two options. We have Mac or Windows. Since I'm Mac, I'm going to click down Mac here to download. And as we look at to the right here, we'll see this download button is downloading right now. So here I receive email from Clo. I'm going to click on that. And I can see right here, just a welcoming email. I have the last 4 digits on my credit card that I use to pay for accounts. So anything that I might want later, for example, I'm a content creator and I need to pay tax. So I want to make sure that I know which card I use so I can go in and then have a bank statement for my deductible tax in the future. And here I have my email that I will use to sign in to Clo, as well as the amount due at the moment is 0. And here, you can view a download complete breakdown of all charges under my dashboard. So let's click on that. So dashboard. And by the way, guys, right here, this is still downloading to the right. We are not finished yet. All right. So here, this is what I have under my dashboard. So I have Clo individual subscription for $450 per year. And next bill will be on March 27, 2026. And here, Clo individual, the amount that I pay right now is 0. And down here, we have more that AI to plug in and so on. And this is my account. And I can also go in and then here, this is my pretty much name set will be applied to close set. So this is my name that I have right here. So if you want to change, you can simply click change name from close set, or you can keep it as is. And this is my email, my password, etc., etc. And I can also change my password. Let's say if I want to do that, let's say change password from close set. First, it requires us to put in the current password. And next, I'm going to type in the new password. After that, we want to save that password in a secure place so we can use it later. And then I'm going to click on save. So password have been updated. Go to preview page, click on there. And there it is. So I have my dashboard and I have account info. I have bill. So later on, if you want to come over here and update the billing information, you can do so. And then here, the billing detail, you can select on here to see more detail. Or down here, you have any coupon, subscription. So this is important. When your trial is expired, you can come down here and see when they start to charge your money from your credit card. For example, in this, after the trial end, 14-day free trial end, they will charge you $450 plus tax, which was 35, something like that. And download the software. I already clicked download the software. I don't have to do that again. Or remove device if I want to. I don't need to do that. Cancel subscription if you want to cancel your subscription. So let's say 14-day trial is over and you don't want to subscribe to a 1 year. You can simply cancel your subscription right here, okay? But I'm not going to do that because I'm going to keep this for 1 year for now, all right? So next, let's go to a download software here. Click on that right there, download, and click on this folder here to see where the software is. Right now, this is the installer. I'm going to double click on that to install. So we're going to simply click and drag to the application. And so here, an older item named Close Standalone Online.app already exists in this location. Do you want to replace it with a new one or copying? So I'm going to replace this with the newer version. In this case, I use Mac Mini M4 Pros, guys. So it's pretty cool. I can use that for clothes super fast. I'm going to simply replace it. And then the operation can't be complete because the item Close Standalone Online is in use. So I'm going to click on OK here. And then I'm going to come over here and then close my clo here. So I'm going to click on X here to close my clo. And then try this again. Click, drag, and drop here. And then replace. And then now it is doing its magic. And when it's finished, we are going to open the software. So go to application. And then right here, this is a Clo app that we have. So I'm going to double click here to open. And if we look at down here, it is opening right now. And I'm going to see a bunch of pop-up box here for me to allow it to happen on my computer. For example, Close Standalone Online.app is app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Yes, I do. So click on open. So it's okay, guys, because we trust Clo here. Because Clo is safe. We got it from the Clo official site, okay? So now they want us to sign in with Clo set. This is what important here. We're going to click on that Clo set right there. And we're going to sign in. So see right here, this is the email that, are you sure you want to sign in with this email? And I'm going to click on continue with this account. Here, the email provided is now signed in to Clo set. You can return to Clo and continue. So now I'm going to come back here and click on that Clo once again, and there it is. So as you can see right here, when you open your Clo and you see this, that means you're in. So for example, you have 14 days left. Your subscription will be renewed, and this is the date, the month, and the year. So if you already have subscribed through a website, your subscription will not be renewed and will expire on the date. So it will renew because I allow it to renew. All right, so right here, you can click on don't show again, so you won't be able to see this again, or you can leave it blank, and then you can simply click on OK here, and now there it is. So this is your new Clo, guys. So welcome to free Clo. So if we look at down here, this is version 2025.2. This is the latest version, and I have a question about viewer asked that, is it the trial one is like the same as the pay version? To answer your question, yeah, the trial one is also exactly the same as the pay version. So if we open Clone up, and if we see, let's say we want to load the avatar or something, come over here to this object browser or to your library, simply click on that Clone library there. And then you'll see here, we have garment, we have avatar, we have fabric, we have trim, we have stage.